Good day, my people. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. My name is Prince from Echi Solar. So I'm here to give our 2025 report on the systems that which we have installed for our customers. So we delivered strong results across our solar projects here in 2025. So we are here to read it for you. We installed 9 kilowatts worth of inverter system, and I'm proud to say across all sites we recorded zero inverter damages and zero fire outbreaks and zero safety incidents. That shows our commitment in delivering a strong project for our customers. Okay, in energy storage, battery storage, we deployed 842 kilowatts worth of lithium batteries storage for our customers, 65 tubular batteries equivalent to 171.6 kilowatts lithium ion battery. This gives us the total number of 1013.6 kilowatts hour over 1 megawatts hour battery storage installed in 2025. We also installed these solar panels combining 580 watts and 620 watts, delivering 497 kilowatts peak of solar energy direct from sunlight. Most importantly, this system have helped our customers to save money, to save time, reduce generator noise, and enjoy stable power. At Echi Solar, we don't just install system, we deliver safety, we design a proper system for our customer for a long-term relationship between our company and our customers. On security, we installed 526 units of solar camera, helping over 500 customers to secure their offices and business using our solar cameras. We only had issues in software. We only had few software issues, which is from V380 application, but which we resolved and upgraded our customer to a better app, which is High Easy. We promise to deliver and serve our customers to their taste. Okay, as we move into 2026, our goal at Echi Solar is very clear, is to scale big, which we are going to be into the C&I energy storage, which is the commercial and industrial energy storage. We are also proud to announce our strategic partnership with Power China, a global leader of construction and commercial power and industrial storage or energy storage. This partnership allow us to deliver world-class technology, stronger system, and a large-scale energy solution, especially for commercial and industrial use, for estates, for manufacture. Alongside this, we are expanding our presence. By January, we will officially open a new branch close to you, bringing our service and support closer to our customers. We are entering into this 2026 with greater confidence in order to serve and deliver what we promise for our customer. Thank you for choosing Eshi Solar. We promise to serve you better.